what to do. In this volatility, we cannot give 40 rupees, 30 rupees difference. If it is not that much volatile, we can predict like that. You have to look the Nifty also. It should not break 24,748. If it breaks, it will go down to 24,700. I will write here 24,700. Yes, Kishore, good morning. Equity Wallet, good morning. Naval Goyal, namaskar. Pushpa Mohan, good morning. Tripti BR, good morning. Tom Khan, sir, font size. What happened? Okay, Tom Khan, the strike price is 24,800. I forgot to write here. 24,800. 4,800 CE. I am always behind CE. I don't know why. The market is going up, I think. Then what happened here? 246, 1, 2, 3. 9, 4, 6, 1, 64, 10, 1, 9, 4, 13, 2, 4, 215, yes, 215, 4, 3, 7, 2, 8, 10, 1, 2, 1, 3, 153. Okay. If put, PUT, 24,800 PE, that calculation is 215. Oh. 215. Below this, it may down to 184. Then it may down to 153. Yeah, 152 came. Okay, if you are getting profit, just you can book 10 rupees is very good profit, because if put will break again 153 upside, that will be a difficult item. Anyway, this is mathematics. Mathematics will not make mistakes. Okay. If put is again going up to and breaking 153, that is dangerous. See what I am writing, before writing it is coming. What to do? I don't know. Maybe my mathematics is correct. 6, 5, 2, 7, 1, 2, 135, 138. Okay, next is 138, if it is coming down. Okay, what I am writing, it is happening because of gold support 138. Okay, please listen. If put is again going back to break 153, that will be, oh my god. Okay, now my first